Hello and welcome back to Ego Surface. The moment I discovered this thing I'm about to show you now, everything changed, everything clicked. So pay attention. What I'm about to show you in this video is about daily candle analysis. How you can use one daily candle, as you are seeing on this video. You can use this one daily candle to determine your trade. See this one daily candle, I will analyze it. And this what I'm about to show you happen every day. So pay attention. This is called AMD. AMD means accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So according to ICT, what price does every day is price start from Asian range. We call it Asian range. But price open up and started ranging during Asian section. So you notice that during Asia section, that pips count is always small. Price will make a movement of about 20 pips or 30 pips every day. Okay. So, and when price is doing this, price is creating both buy side liquidity. The one you see on top here is buy side liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is money resting in form of buy stop loss, sell orders. Okay, so what you see above here is buy side liquidity, and what you are seeing below here is the sell side liquidity of the Asian section. So after this accumulation, what next? Price will do what? Manipulate by coming down to this zone. So when price move down to this zone, many people will think that price is about to sell. And you notice that people will put their pending order here, their sell limit. They may use fair value gap or other block to put selling limit. But that one not price want to do. Because I see it in those days said that liquidity is the fuel in the market. Wherever liquidity lies, price will be attracted to that point. So after seeking this sell side liquidity of the Asian section, what price will do is to go and seek the buy side liquidity. Where is the buy side liquidity? This zone. This is the buy side liquidity. At the top here is your buy side liquidity. So after seeking this buy side liquidity, price moves up. What will happen again is that price will retrace back again. Then after retracing back again, price will also seek this liquidity we are seeing here. So this will happen every day. So in this scenario, all these explanations are divided into Asian section, London section, and New York section. So let me explain what happened during Asian section. During Asian section, price will be ranging like this between 10 pips, 20 pips, and 30 pips. And when London want to open, London will come and create what is called the low of the day or the high of the day, depending on the direction of the market. So when London open, London will come and seek the sell side liquidity the day the price want to buy. The London will come and seek the sell side liquidity, took out all the liquidity residing at this zone. So when price took out all this liquidity, you notice that in 1 minute time frame, you will notice a shift in market structure here at the London opening. Now, someone will ask, when is London opening and when is New York opening and when is Asian opening? Now, Asia open around 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. New York time, while London open by 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time, and New York session happen 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time. So if you are Nigeria, we are making this video from our London session open from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is UK time. So watch out for this price action. After accumulation, Asia range accumulation, come out on London section. Once you notice that price has taken out the either the sell side liquidity on the day of bullish, price first come and seek the sell side liquidity. And whenever you notice a shift in market structure at the London opening, when price has taken out the sell side liquidity, position yourself for a buy. Because once this shift in market structure happen here, price will start seeking for the buy side liquidity, which is this liquidity residing here. And after seeking this buy side liquidity during London section, price must have created the low of the day. So this is their low of the day. That's why in most cases, price form low of the day during London section or high of the day during London session. So in this case, price has formed low of the day here and move up like this. And you notice that during London session, price will then move from 30 pips to 40 pips or from 40 pips to 50 pips. So when London session has elapsed, price will try to do what? To retrace back into the opening of the New York section. Now, because the London session has printed over 40 or 50 pips, price will not have that strength, the capacity to come and seek the London low. price will not have the capacity to come and seek the liquidity residing at this London low. Rather, price will go and seek the liquidity residing at the London high. This is the buy side liquidity of the London price. That's why you notice that whenever the London session created high and price retraces back into the opening of the New York session, price will always go and seek the liquidity residing here. So all you have to do again is that slide down to your lower time frame during London opening and look for a shift in market structure as the London is opening and take buy to continue this expansion. So you notice that during London session, price will now buy, okay, and after this buy, price will be exhausted and another session will start forming here. Price will start resting and start forming another range during Asian session. So this is what's happened every day of the market. So let me take you to the chart. Let's us digest this in. I will give you three examples in the last three trading days. This is USD, Euro, USD. So let's go to the chart. The last three trading days, what I'll go show you as an example. Okay, this is the last three trading days. Now, you can see this color shaded portion. The color shaded portion are denoted by this purple zone is your Asian section. The golden zone is your London section, while the blue zone is the New York section. Now, see what happened here? This purple zone is your Asian high. It represents your Asian high and your Asian low. Okay. Now you notice that as the London open, that price came to this Asian low, took out the sell side liquidity as we illustrated earlier. After taking out the sell side liquidity, price did what? Price expanded. So this range, if you check it, it will give you about 20 to 30 pips. Let me check this range so that we know what we are saying. This is about, all right, this is about 21 pips during Asian section. It gives us about 21 pips, while the London section gives us about 40 something pips. Okay, so now that price has taken out the Asian low, what next happen here? If you slide down to 1 minute time frame, you notice a shift in market structure here. So after this shift in market structure, the next thing is price is what distributed. Remember, accumulation. This sell side is the manipulation and this is the distribution. And during New York session, price continue. When price slide down to the New York opening, if you go to 1 minute time frame again here, you notice a what? You notice there's a shift in market structure again towards bullish. And price did what? Price continue expanding at the rest of the day. So at the rest of the day, you notice that price started ranging there. So in this strategy I'm teaching you, you don't need to crack your brain. This is a very simple strategy that you can use to make money in a hard way. So let's go for second day that I want to share with you. So this is second day. You notice again that price came as you denoted. This is our Asian section. Price came during London opening, took out the Asia low. Go to your 1 minute time frame, you notice a shift in market structure here, and price did work. Boom, price expanded. And during New York section, price slide into the New York opening, use your 1 minute time frame and continuation of the movement. All right, so let's go to the third day. Let me share. So this is how you can be taking this price action. So this is the third day. This one happened yesterday. You notice again that yesterday price came and took out the Asian high. This is Asian high. Price took out this Asian high. So if you go to your 1 minute time frame, you notice a shift in market structure and price did what? After taking out Asian high, it came out and took out the Asian low. Okay, price moved down this way. And after this, you notice another shift in market structure at the New York section opening here. Go to 1 minute time frame here. You notice that price did what? Shifted structure here in your 1 minute time frame and price seek for this. You see this London zone here, London liquidity. That is what this price seek for yesterday. So go and practice, 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 practice. So this market deviation here, this delineation here that I put up here, okay, if you don't know how to put this indicator, this is an indicator, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll give you a video link to watch for you to know how I mark all these shaded, this London section, the New York section, and the rest. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and put up the notification bell so that you know when I drop a new content. See you guys in my next episode.